This is why you need Sutton seeds in your garden. Let's uncover their rich history and diverse offerings. Since 1806, Sutton Seeds has been the go-to source for gardeners of all levels. With over 200 years of expertise, they bring you the finest seeds, plants, bulbs, and gardening gear. But what really sets Suttons apart? It's their unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. From award-winning plant varieties to sustainable, peat-free growing practices, Suttons is dedicated to making your garden flourish. And did you know they hold a royal warrant since 1871? That's right, even the royals trust Suttons for their gardens. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Suttons offers everything you need to succeed. Their extensive product range and expert advice make gardening enjoyable and accessible for everyone, so why wait? Discover the joy of gardening with Sutton Seeds, your ultimate gardening companion. Visit suttons.co.uk today and let your garden dreams take root.